Say again?
Horizontal?
Yeah, how do you know that? It is.
Because you can say anterior to posterior and lateral to lateral, but not
What's that
superior to
section?
inferior.
Correct.
Horizontal?
Which end of the section is toward me?
The posterior?
Posterior?
It is, that's right. How do you know that?
Posterior, is that what you said? Is that right?
Yeah.
Because the front looks like the
Something with the
superior and
The central
gyrus.
sulcus starts anterolateral.
Yeah.
goes
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, medial.
It goes from posteromedial, from more posterior and medially to more anterior and laterally. You see, so it's sloping obliquely, anterolateral, from posteromedial to an anterolateral. That means that way is anterior. Okay, so what is this?
Central sulcus.
That's right. What is this?
Precentral
That's
gyrus.
right. What is this?
Post-central gyrus.
Yeah, what is this?
Precentral sulcus.
That's right. What is this?
Post-central sulcus.
That's right. What is this?
Superior frontal gyrus.
Correct. What is this?
Superior sulcus.
It's a frontal sulcus.
Frontal
What is
sulcus.
this? It's a portion of one of the gyri. It's part of the middle frontal gyrus.
Middle frontal gyrus. Let's say
Okay. The middle frontal gyrus. Okay, what's this?
that.
Yeah, the longitudinal fissure is correct. What's this?
The parietal occipital.
No, it's too far forward for that. Correct.
What was it?
What is it?
Yeah. Say that again.
Posterior.
Yeah, it's the ascending ramus of the cingulate sulcus. Excuse me, the marginal ramus of the cingulate sulcus.
Marginal ramus.
Yeah.
Marginal ramus of the cingulate sulcus.
And here it is on this side. The central sulcus is in 90% of brains, the central sulcus is the next sulcus anterior to the marginal ramus of the cingulate sulcus. Okay? Now, and then this one is quite important, and it's going to get more than one pair of questions. It's going to get multiple pairs of questions. And then, what kind of, let's see. All right, I'm going to do it this way because there isn't time to sort these out right now. If they come out faster, that would be a possibility. Since they didn't, we're going to do them like this. What kind of section? Yeah, how do you know that? That's correct. And then,
Superior to inferior and lateral to lateral.
but you have to say but not also.
But not anterior to posterior.
Correct. What are these?
Lateral ventricles.
Yeah, which parts of the lateral ventricles?
Body.
Anterior horns are lateral ventricles. What says anterior horns?
No horn.
Correct.
No what?
There's no thalamus present in
Okay.
here. What's this?
Body.
The head of the caudate nucleus. Now, what are these streamers coming off the head?
Cellular
Correct,
bridges.
cellular bridges. Now, what's this over here? Yeah, a little bit of the putamen. And what do this plus the streamers and that make together?
The corpus striatum.
Correct. What is this?
Centrum
Yeah, centrum semiovale. What is this? Correct. What is this?
Forceps minor.
The rostrum.
Rostrum.
The rostrum is correct, yeah. The rostrum is correct. We can't see the forceps minor in this view. It's too far posterior for the forceps minor. Then you should know this sequence. What is this space over here?
Colossus. Right.
Correct. And then what is this over here? Yeah, the cingulate gyrus. And what's this over here? It's correct. And what's this?
Medial frontal gyrus.
Correct, the medial frontal gyrus, that's right. And what's this whole thing over here? Correct, and what's this indentation over here? That's right, superior frontal sulcus. And what's this?
Middle
Yeah,
middle frontal.
correct, the middle
gyrus.
frontal gyrus, and what's this? This one's not the best one to ask that one, because it's actually not, it's not coronal, it's oblique, yeah, the inferior frontal gyrus. Okay,
So that's middle,
the middle frontal gyrus and the inferior frontal sulcus.
oh, okay.
Okay,
So there is no middle frontal sulcus?
no,
Okay.
okay, now, which side of the slice is this side?
Anterior,
Yeah, how do you know that? Now,
descending, divergent. What's
say that again?
the diverging in the middle there?
Yeah, that's right. You can see from the slopes of the lateral walls of the ventricle that they are diverging anterolaterally. You see there, look at the slope of the wall, that they're diverging anterolaterally.
No, I don't understand that.
Yeah,
Well,
so that's a
well,
which slice, the
look at-
anterior?
Look at the slope of the wall there. You see, look at the slope of the wall.
Okay.
It's sloping this way, right?
Like downwards?
No. Well, what kind of section is this?
Coronal?
Yeah. And
Oh,
how do you,
coronal,
what makes it a
okay.
coronal?
It's superior, inferior, and lateral, but not anterior, posterior.
That's right. So they can't be projecting downwards.
Right, oh, I meant like, I
Yeah.
didn't mean downward, I meant
Yeah.
like back.
You see, just look at the geometry of the wall. You see it, notice how it's sloping this way, obliquely this way. So, notice that it's converging, the slope of the wall says that the chambers are converging that way, you see, and diverging this way. That means this side is anterior.
So it's, because it's going this way, so it means
Yeah.
that's
They-
anterior.
The slope of the anterior horns diverges diverges anteriorly, it's sloping this way. And converge toward posterior, so that's, this side is posterior.
Right, okay.
What's in the middle over here?
The coal or the sides?
The two strips of tissue.
Septum pellucid.
Each is a septum pellucidum, what's the space in between? That's right, the cavum.
Oh, wait, could we see that?
A septum pellucidum and a septum pellucidum, and the space in between is the cavum. Okay, now anywhere that it's visible, I can ask the centrum semiovale and this sequence over here, and the body of the corpus callosum and the rostrum, and the longitudinal fissure and so on, you know, any section where they show.
I have a quick question
Yeah.
about the lateral
I can't really see.